Choosing the right roofing contractor, like Mathews roofers, is crucial for your home's safety and comfort. A well-maintained roof shields you from harsh weather and external threats. To find the best roofing contractors in Mathews, North Carolina, ask key questions that reveal their expertise and professionalism. Evaluate their quality of work by inquiring about their experience, services, and customer satisfaction. This process is essential to avoid costly repairs and ensure a durable roof. Start by confirming their local office. A local presence, like Mathews Roofers, ensures accountability. Next, verify their licensing, bonding, and insurance. This protects you from liabilities and confirms their technical competence. Request references and verify them. A reputable roofer will gladly share satisfied customer feedback. Also, inquire about warranties on workmanship and materials. These warranties protect you from poor quality work and materials. By asking these questions, you can identify a reliable roofer. For quality and peace of mind, choose Mathews Roofers. Call them today at 704-266-2056 for your roofing needs.